Hey guys, it is Dixie with the Design & Style podcast, a podcast for designers by designers. I'm pretty sure you already knew all of that. Today is day 2 of our newsletter challenge. Yesterday we went into MailChimp and created an account, set up a list. Today we're going to start getting the word out. We want to make sure that you have that on your website so that people can click on it. We're not talking something really super complicated, and you don't want me telling you what to do in your own website. There's so many different options out there. Squarespace, WordPress. WordPress has a zillion options. Wix. So use your help section. If you come across a problem, use your help section. There's a help on WordPress. There's a help on Squarespace. There's a help on MailChimp. There's also Google. But the help is usually pretty good because MailChimp is made to play well with as many people as it can. It's free and it plays well. I did have an issue the other day when I first put the sign up form at the bottom of a blog post. It was something, okay, so I could see sign up for the list. I could see the block where you put in your first name, your last name, and your email. There was no button. No button at all to click to actually go through with sign up. So ask the question and help, popped up with an answer, easy fix. I was done. If you have a tech guy, you might want to let him handle this or her handle this. If you don't and you do it yourself, hopefully if you're doing everything by yourself, you know enough stuff to just go ahead and do this. All right. Without further ado, I'm going to share my screen with you. Here we go. Okay. Just logged into MailChimp, and we are going to head over to our lists. Excuse me. We're going to come down to our particular list. You can do more lists down the road. Right now, we're just doing simple, easy, basic. This is going to be the same one. This is going to be where people go to get your blog and newsletter. We'll talk more about exactly what that means tomorrow and Thursday. No, tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday and Friday. So once you've clicked on the Design & Style Clubbers, it says, we don't have anybody in our list. Do we want to create a sign-up form? Why, yes, we do. We can also come over here. This will take you to the same place. So sign-up forms, general forms, embedded forms. If you remember that yesterday we went to general forms and we were able to just copy this URL and paste it into, you can paste it into a status on your business page on Facebook, or share it, add it to a comment, whatever. And that will give people a place to go. They just click on that. A lot of you have already done that for hours. In fact, I think there's only one person who signed up on our email list from the website. I'm pretty sure almost everybody has been through our little URL that I've been pasting all over the place. So that was the general forms that we talked about yesterday. Today, we want to talk about embedded forms. It sounds scary. It's really not. Here it is. If you like this, I mean, it has subscribed to our mailing list, which if you want to change that text, you can change it right here. You can see it changed right there. You can choose different options here. This looks a little bit different. It's pretty easy. It's going to be just their email list. You can do it like this, where it's horizontal. You can do a naked button, which I don't recommend because it is not pretty at all. And we're designers and creative people. We want it to look good. Advanced. Unless you know what you're doing, stay out of this section. So let's go back to classic. Depending on which of those looks you want, you can embed it on your website. This right here, it's as easy as copy. And really, as soon as you click in there, it highlights the whole thing. So just copy it and then paste it into your website in the appropriate spot. that is it. It's that easy. So today, your challenge is to get that done. If you did not get your list started yesterday, do that today. And then I want to see your URL link. Excuse me, I think I'm going to have some coffee. I have a fun cup today. Okay, so I want you to paste your URL link from the general sign-up form into the comments. And then I also want you to share one of your website pages once you've got it done. If you put it on the front page, that's great. That's ideal. You want it closer up to the top. At the very least, go to one of your blog posts, insert that at the bottom. If you want to find out more, sign up for whatever you want to call it, your list. And I'll send you all kinds of tips and tricks and special stuff that I'm not going to send to anybody else. I think that's it. Can you do that? Once you do that, share either the blog post or your main page, wherever you have dropped your code on your website. Share it here too. 2 things today. The URL code from the general sign-up form, that is literally go into MailChimp, copy it, paste it into the comments. Yeah. Number 2, put it on your website. Wherever you put it, paste that link here to that page on your website, because we want to be able to go and check out everybody's. First of all, it's kind of cool to see everybody's websites. Second of all, it's a little bit of accountability, and it's also troubleshooting. Just in case there are any problems, we can catch it before you start sharing it all over. Okay? That's it for today. I'm Designing Dixie, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.